there, my name is Adwoa. Welcome to today's topic. Today we're going to talk about how you can tell if a company's culture is just right for you. As you go through the process of looking for a new role, you can get so caught up in simply trying to figure out if the job is what you want or if the pay is what you want. But don't forget about knowing if the company culture is what you want. The key to solving this conundrum is to, in fact, interview your interviewers as you're going through the process. Now, this works whether you're changing companies or simply changing roles within the same company. Let's face it, even within the same organization, different teams and different departments can very much have different cultures. But to get underneath the company's culture, I want you to ask the following questions. Number one, I want you to ask your prospective interviewers, what are they working on? The work that your future boss or future colleagues is working on is probably work that you're going to be working on. If they're working on the kinds of things that make you seriously want to snore, then this may or may not be the right culture for you. If they're working on things that are really intriguing and interesting to you, then this might be the type of place that you want to be a part of. Question number two, ask your interviewers what gets rewarded or recognized here. The reality is that what gets recognized and rewarded in an organization is, in fact, the culture. For example, if one of the answers to your question about what gets rewarded and recognized is that somebody was just rewarded and recognized for working 5 consecutive weekends in a row, yikes. So that might tell you that that may be part of the cultural norm of this organization. And you know what? For some people, that's A-okay. But for you, is that A-okay? Question number three for the interview process is for your prospective boss. Ask that person, what is it that you're working on that you're really passionate about? What your boss is passionate about, A, is what you're likely to work on. B, should be something that you also get passionate about. And C, should make you really excited to be a part of the team. Hopefully, they're super in sync, which means that this may be a match made in organizational heaven. Another way to get a feel for the culture outside of the whole interview process, I always think it's great to ask if the organization will let you test drive it for a day. Maybe you can sit in on a couple of meetings. Some of that stuff is so interesting and so telling to you about what the organization and its culture and its dynamics and its nuances are. Today, you just got some quick hit practical tips for you to figure out the company's culture before you actually sign on the dotted line and join the team. So if you found this helpful, here's what I'd love for you to do. I'd love for you to like this video and share it. And if you feel like you need more of what we're doing here, head over to the site that's listed right here and sign up for email updates. Organizations all over the world need that unique gift that only you bring. So go out into the world today and act with conviction, be courageous, and live joyfully every single day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I cannot wait to see you again at our very next video.